buckle up and get ready to fire up your engines. Join us as we count down the top 15 RC cars that will blow your mind. From the really fast racers to ultra-durable off-road monsters. For both casual and serious hobbyists alike, these incredible machines bring together heart-stopping speed, insane handling, and designs from the future that will just blow your mind. Number 1. Arrma's Limitless 128 SRTR. Arrma's Limitless 128 SRTR is an RC hypercar that delivers extreme thrills straight out of the box. It features a factory-installed Spectrum Firma 160A Smart V2 ESC and a Firma 1450 kV brushless motor, ready for either 6S or 8S LiPo setups that will yield some serious power and speed. With 8S and high-speed gearing, this RC beast reaches mind-blowing velocity. Its 3mm anodized aluminum chassis is designed for unmatched rigidity, while its sleek body design gives it a purposeful and aggressive look. Close to $799.99, the Limitless offers premium performance for serious RC enthusiasts. It's ideal for smooth pavement high-speed runs, as it truly lives up to its name. Limitless fun and adrenaline packed into one package. Number 2. Traxxas TRX4 Defender. The Traxxas TRX4 Defender combines serious trail performance with authentic scale realism. It features an officially licensed Land Rover Defender body, a portal axle designed to increase ground clearance, and power from the Titan 21T reverse rotation motor / waterproof XL5 HVESC with multiple driving profiles. Full-time shaft-driven 4WD and remote locking front and rear differentials provide ultimate control on rocks and trails. Measuring 23.07 inches, 586 millimeters in length with 3.14 inches, 80 millimeters of ground clearance and weighing 7.43 pounds, 3.37 kilograms, it's built tough for serious off-road adventures. With an RTR price around $615, the TRX4 Defender delivers premium performance that matches its premium specifications. Number 3. FMS 1/10 Canyon Crawler. The FMS 1/10 Canyon Crawler is engineered for serious trail adventures right out of the box. With its low center of gravity chassis, front and rear portal axles, 2-speed transmission, and remote locking differentials, it's a highly capable crawler that excels at both performance and scale realism. Oil-filled metal shocks, a full lighting system controlled via the transmitter, and a magnetic quick-release body mount round out the package. Weighing in at a solid, well-balanced build, it inspires confidence on rocks, steep inclines, and technical trails. Priced around $450 in the US, the Canyon Crawler offers thoughtful engineering, premium features, and functional trail performance for enthusiasts who want both realism and durability in one package. Number 4. Red Cat Racing Ascent 18 Apex. The Red Cat Racing Ascent 1/18 Apex is a compact but powerful 1/18 scale rock crawler that exceeds expectations. Out of the box, this tiny beast features a carbon fiber low CG chassis, high steer portal axles, and ball bearings throughout the drivetrain to smoothen out the performance. Power comes courtesy of a Hobbywing brushless system, HW1621, running 350 kV on 3SL IPO for responsive and reliable crawling power. Boasting one of the lowest centers of gravity among portal axle rigs with agile gearing, this rig is nothing but stable and nimble over technical trails. Going for approximately $250, it's an unusually good value considering it's already ready to run, built from quality components. For the micro-crawling enthusiast, the Ascent 1/18 Apex will hit the dirt and provide instant fun and impressive performance on every trail. Number 5. Axial SCX-10-3. The Axial SCX-10-3 is a ready-to-run rock crawler that's engineered to deliver serious trail performance. Under its tough, gritty skin, it has a one-piece steel C-channel frame, AR45P portal axles, full ball bearings, oil-filled coilover shocks, and a strong LCXU transmission, making for a solid, trail-capable build. On rocky terrain, it handles with impressive precision and stability. Its adjustable wheelbase and reliable electronics make it easy to pilot, even for beginners. The Coyote 110 RTR version is priced around $350, the battery and charger being sold separately, an excellent entry point for enthusiasts. Balancing performance, durability, and value, the SCX-103 stands out as an excellent choice to confidently take on challenging trails. Number 6. Arrma Kraton 6SBL XRTR. The Arrma Kraton 6SBL XRTR is an extreme 1/8 scale monster truck pre-built for bashing and dominating all possible terrain. Fitted with a 6S capable Spectrum Firma 150, a Smart V2 ESC, and a Firma 474 2050 kV brushless motor. This beast promises some seriously hard-stopping speed, 60+ miles per hour out of the box, and up to 65+ miles per hour with top tuning. For even better durability, its aluminum chassis and 29mm heavy-duty differentials are upgraded, while aggressive tires and adjustable shocks keep it stable and sure-footed over any surface. This is a ready-to-run package that includes everything necessary except for a battery and charger. Rugged, fast, and built to withstand multiple shocks from airtime and rough terrain, the Kraton 6SBL XRTR is available at around $700 for those RC enthusiasts who love high-speed action. Number 7. Tamiya Trail Mini 4WD. The Tamiya Trail Mini 4WD is a charming entry-level RC kit that combines simplicity and fun. Aimed at the casual hobbyist, it has a 1:32 scale body, 130mm in length, and an easy snap-together chassis with no screws or cement required. Powered by one AA battery and a 50-to-1 gear ratio, it moves at a modest walking pace, perfectly suited to relaxed play rather than high-speed racing. The kit version, including the limited Kamaman 15th Anniversary Edition, retails for about $14 and thus serves as an affordable entry into the world of RC. For playful building, display, or as an introductory model to the hobby, the Trail Mini 4-wheel drive is all about creativity, fun, and stress-free enjoyment. Number 8. Axial SCX-30. The Axial SCX-30 is an impressive, feature-packed, compact 1/30 scale crawler that is ready to drive right out of the box. It features full-time 4-wheel drive, a brushed Axial 88T motor, the Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz radio system, and a 7.4-volt 160 mAh 2 SLIPO battery with USB charger. For around $100, it's a scale crawler that offers incredible value to both the beginner and seasoned hobbyist. Small in size but capable of delivering super smooth, precise crawling over rough terrain, tight spaces, or even an indoor environment, this model is easily portable for those on-the-go adventures or casual tabletop fun. Combining affordability, durability, and performance, the Axial SCX-30 is a great way for anyone to enjoy scale crawling without breaking the bank. Number 9. Traxxas Ford RS200. The Traxxas Mini Rally VXL Ford RS200 is a 1:10 scale rally car that delivers an authentic rally DNA into your hands and combines it with high-speed performance. Powered by a brushless Valinian 3,500 kV motor and VXL3S speed control, this reaches 40+ miles per hour on the included 2S LiPo and over 55 miles per hour with a 3S pack. With a full-time shaft-driven AWD, sealed differentials, and a modular long wheelbase chassis, it goes for stability and precision handling alike. What really sets the RS200 apart is its value for money proposition. The ready-to-run kit manages a reasonable price of around $430 to $450. On the track, it delivers razor-sharp cornering and exhilarating bursts of speed, making it perfect for enthusiasts seeking a compact high-performance car with realistic rally styling and thrilling driving dynamics. Number 10. FMSFC X10. The FMSFC X10 is a 1:10 scale rock crawler built for serious trail adventures and scale realism. Featuring a full ball-bearing drivetrain, all metal gears, and a dual-speed gearbox, it balances precise crawling with fun trail performance. Stock models come equipped with a 550 brushed motor, splash-proof electronics, and support two S to 3S LiPo packs. Pricing begins at approximately $349.99 for the standard version, while brushless Pro editions begin at about $489.99. On the trail, the FCX10 impresses with capability and visual detail, thanks to its scale accuracy and durable metal hardware. The only minor issue noted is with the body locking mechanism, which can clog occasionally. Overall, the FCX10 is a strong, budget-friendly option for realistic crawling enthusiasts. Number 11. Armor Quake Grom. The Armor Quake Grom 4x4 RTR is a compact monster truck that is big on fun in a little package. In 1:16 scale, the ready-to-run model comes with a brushed 380 motor, a 2 SLIPO battery, and charger right out of the box. No extras are needed. A tough composite chassis, oil-filled coilover shocks, and four-wheel drive drivetrain instill confidence over jumps, curbs, and rough terrain. Priced around $190, it is an excellent value for those beginning or who casually enjoy bashing. Although a top speed over 20 miles per hour might feel a bit modest to seasoned racers, the Quake Grom excels in its ease of use, durability, and immediate fun. It's a very good choice for anyone in the market for a plug-and-play mini monster truck that can actually punch well above its size class. Number 12. Traxxas X Monster X Max. The Traxxas X-Mon X Max, widely known as the X Max, is indeed a giant in the RC world. In 1:6 scale, it is 30.6 inches, 779 millimeters, in length and weighs around 19.1 pounds, 8.66 kilograms, with a build for conquering extreme terrain. Powering this beast is the Valinian 1200 XL brushless motor mated to the VXL 8S waterproof ESC for speeds over 50 miles per hour, using dual 4S LiPo batteries. Currently selling at around $1,200 in the US, there's also a ready-to-run version. It features jaw-dropping acceleration, massive airtime, and unstoppable monster-bashing fun on the trails. For owners, plenty of open space and a budget for batteries and accessories should be considered in order to enjoy the X Max experience. Number 13. Traxxas Max Ultimate. The Traxxas Max Ultimate is a 1:10 scale monster truck built for hardcore bashers looking for ready-to-run performance. Powered by a brushless Valinian 540XL motor and VXL4S waterproof ESC, it provides astonishingly fast speed and full-time 4WD control. Upgrades to 6061T6 aluminum parts on the C-hubs and motor cradle improve strength, and a clipless body mount system helps with maintenance. With its length of 22.5 inches, width of 15.95 inches, and height of 9.12 inches, this big rig demands attention wherever you take it. Pricing around $900 MSRP, the Max Ultimate feels incredibly solid and refined in action, thanks to upgraded shocks and sturdy aluminum hardware. For maximum performance, high-quality batteries and lots of space are in order, and this makes it perfect for serious enthusiasts of extreme RC. Number 14. Element RC Enduro. The Element RC Enduro Comp Fox is a 1:10 scale competition-ready 4-wheel drive rock crawler intended for serious trail enthusiasts. Built around a carbon fiber flat rail chassis with machined aluminum braces, it keeps the center of gravity low for superior stability and performance. High clearance portal axles, a forward bias motor mount, threaded aluminum shocks, and steel pivot components ensure durability and tight control over challenging terrain. Available in several versions, starting at a little over $600, depending on the version and region, the Enduro Comp Fox impresses first and foremost with its build quality and extensive tuning possibilities. It's ideal for hobbyists who enjoy hands-on assembling and customizing electronics, enabling enthusiasts to create a high-performance crawler that will dominate technical trails both confidently and stylishly. Number 15. Vanquish VS 4-10. The Vanquish VS 4-10 Phoenix Portal RTR is a top-of-the-line 1:10 scale rock crawler that is geared toward more serious trail enthusiasts. Its potent combination of the VFD twin transmission with on-the-fly selectable overdrive and 3 DIG modes, molded F10 portal axles, and tough-as-nails chromoly gears provide performance in spades. With a 12.3-inch wheelbase and rugged metal link suspension, the Phoenix Portal can maintain stability and maneuver through challenging technical terrain. For around $420, the basic RTR offers exceptional value for a ready-to-run crawler. Users will appreciate the silky, smooth shifting transmission, high-clearance axles, and precise steering that make this rig excel on rocks and trails alike. For anyone looking for a premium, out-of-the-box crawler that strikes the right balance between scale realism and serious trail capability, the Phoenix Portal should be on their shortlist. And there you have it, the top 15 RC cars that will blow your mind. From speed demons to rugged off-road beasts, these RC machines are pure excitement on wheels. Which one was your favorite? Drop a comment, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing RC content.